So I have been thinking of various different ways and means in which I can teach the Irish language. With St. Patrick's Day coming up, I was thinking about this, and I was thinking about the Rosary, and to pray the Rosary and teach the prayers of the Rosary in Irish. So I have my Rosary beads here. I have I love the Rosary very, very much. It's very, very dear to me. And yeah, tá nuair sin grog am sa gon Paidrín, so on Paidrín, the Rosary. To break it down maybe to the main prayers of the Rosary, the three kind of main prayers that maybe people are familiar with, the Our Father, the Hail Mary, and the Glory Be. The glory be to the Father. I'm going to break this down into a few parts, like video wise. And of course you have at the beginning Crain and Gospel, the Apostles' Creed, which we're not going to actually look at. We're going to start with the Our Father, our nAthair, and as a starting point, a kind of a simpler starting point, shall we say. I have this book here that I actually picked up in Knock, in Knock Shrine, Afran Day agus Lawer Ernathe, and it has all of the prayers in Irish and also all the Mass, actually, the order of the Mass in Irish as well, which is beautiful. So we're just going to focus on the Our Father, and maybe I will flick my camera around and you can see the actual words as I'm going through them, and that might be a little bit more useful for people. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so just to kind of go through them line by line, here are my rosary beads, which I absolutely love. So it's on the clochai móra, the big beads that you would be praying the Our Father. So these big beads here. So we're just going to break it down. I'm going to break it down line by line. So here we go. Our nAthair. Our nAthair, atá neamh. Our Father who art in heaven. So our nAthair, atá neamh. Go níofair danam. So hallowed be thy name. Go níofair danam. Go dagad do riocht. Go dagad do riocht. So thy kingdom come. Go nienter do hull an talla. So our Father who art in heaven, our nAthair, atá neamh, go níofair danam. So our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth, an talla, mar a dhéantar neamh. So thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven, mar a dhéantar neamh. Our nRán, léthúil, tuair doing in you. So give us this day our daily bread, tuair doing in you. So our nRán léthúil is our daily bread. Agus maith doing our bhíocha. And forgive us our trespasses, maith doing our bhíocha. Mar a bhahamid dar bheiceann na hain. Mar a bhahamid dar bheiceann na hain. So forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, agus ná lig sin I gathú, ach siar sin ó ulk, ach deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay, so I'm going to actually read that out fully, without me splitting it up. Our nAthair, atá neamh, go níofair danam, go dagad do riocht, go nienter dar hull an talla, mar a dhéantar neamh. Our nRán léthúil, tuair doing in you, agus maith doing our bhíocha, mar a bhahamid dar bheiceann na féin, agus nálig sin a gathú, ach siar sin ó ulk. Amen. Cháirde, mátá si begúr níos mó gaige ólam, leannig I méar na man ho síalta, agus feicime sa géadaí sin eile si ba cháirde. Slán go fólín!